Welcome back to the show where I help you better understand supply chain management and manufacturing. Econometric forecasts in the supply chain and manufacturing environment are quantitative predictions of future demand, supply, and other relevant variables based on historical and statistical models. These forecasts help organizations make better informed decisions about production planning, inventory management, resource allocation, and overall supply chain optimization. Key uses of econometric forecasts include demand forecasting. Econometric models are used to predict future product demand by analyzing historical sales data, market trends, economic indicators, and other relevant variables such as pricing, promotions, and seasonality. Accurate demand forecasts help organizations align production and inventory levels with anticipated customer requirements. It's also used in supply forecasting. Econometric techniques can also be applied to predict the availability and the price of raw materials, components, and other inputs required for manufacturing. By considering factors such as supplier lead times, capacity constraints, and market dynamics, organizations can proactively manage their supply base and mitigate potential disruptions. They are used in capacity planning. Econometric models can assist in forecasting the optimal production capacity required to meet projected demand while minimizing the cost. By analyzing historical production data, machine performance, and resource availability, organizations can make informed decisions about capacity expansions, equipment investments, and workforce planning. They're used in inventory optimization. Econometric forecasts enable organizations to determine the appropriate levels of raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. By considering factors such as lead time, safety stock requirements, and demand variability, organizations can minimize inventory holding costs while ensuring adequate service levels. People also use them for scenario analyses. Econometric models allow organizations to simulate various scenarios and assess their potential impact on supply chain performance. By adjusting input variables and assumptions, decision makers can evaluate the robustness of their supply chain strategies and contingency plans under the different market conditions or disruption scenarios. And finally, they can be integrated with other planning processes. Econometric forecasts serve as crucial inputs for other supply chain planning processes, such as sales and operations planning, master production scheduling, and material requirements planning. By incorporating econometric insights into these processes, organizations can better achieve alignment between demand, supply, and financial objectives.